Hi, welcome back to Boss Online English. I am Tanisha Sharma and today we are going to talk about So boring, right? Starting with the same thing again and again. Well, let's talk about something interesting. Let's go to our delusional world. What do you say? So let's imagine this only. So one day you're sleeping very tirelessly and then you get up in the morning and the first thing you come to know is that you have won a 5 crore rupees lottery. Can you believe that? Your heart will start racing, your heart beats pounding, you won't be able to believe in yourself because now you have so much money that from which you can buy luxury cars, luxury watches, new villa with pool of course, and anything you desire for. But this turns out to be the biggest mistake of every single person. Now let's get back to reality. So let me tell you that this is the biggest mistake one can do. If you have so much money, why don't you think about compounding? So even if you have 5 crore rupees, you are going to spend it without thinking. And someday it's going to end. So why not do something that continuously makes money for you with this 5 crores? Well, this is not just about winning a lottery. It's also about people. When someone gets a 50% hike, for example, or someone in business has just started doing so well that they are earning lakhs every month. That is where you have to plan everything. Well, don't worry, I'm here to help you out with that as well. So let's talk about how to plan your money. Not just money which you can use for compounding and never run out of money. So let's get started. So the first step is to stay calm and avoid rush in your brain. Okay, so whenever you're getting a hike or you have just started doing really good in business or you would have got some good amount of money from somewhere, do not think of spending it immediately. Stay calm, relax, control your excitement, and most importantly, do not take impulsive decisions. Your sports car and your dream vacation can wait. The best way is to consult a financial partner. That how should you start managing your finances when you are earning a good amount of money every month. Second, plan your taxes. Because when you get a hike or you're earning a lot of money, you have to pay a lot of tax as well. So you have to be prepared about it as well. Because it's as simple as that. The more you earn, the more taxes you have to pay. And the amount of taxes might surprise you. So be prepared for it in the beginning itself. Third step. So if you're getting more money every month from before, try to get rid of all your debts. Debt-free is the way to be. Because before you were earning less, so it was difficult for you to clear your debts. But now because you're earning more, you have started earning more, you should focus on clearing all sorts of debts. Because those debts can break your financial situation. And if you don't want that, you should clear all sorts of debt. And once all the debts are cleared, then you will see whatever you're earning just after taxes, you will have all the money in your hand. Step 4. Create an emergency fund because now you're earning more. You can save some amount from your salary or your earnings as an emergency fund every month. You never know what the future brings to you. So you have to be prepared for it. In case of any medical situation, car accidents, insurance or any other different sorts of situations where you need financial help, you can use that emergency fund. So be prepared. So keep this in your priority list that you have to save money for your emergency fund every month. Step number 5, invest in property. So if you don't already have a house or you're living on rent or lease, then it is the correct time for you to start planning to get a house. Because we all know that land or houses are the assets of whose price always goes up only. So it is the correct time for you to start planning to buy a house where you can live as well, and even later if you want to move from there, you can get a good price from that land or property. So slowly plan your things, consult a financial advisor, decide and execute. Step 6. Start investing your money. Investing in gold, in real estate, in mutual funds and SIPs. Because now you know that you have enough money to take care of your basic necessities and you can save a good amount of money. Still you have some money. Do not spend it unnecessarily. Use that money to invest it, because once you start investing your money later after 5 years, 10 years, you'll see a boom in the money that you have invested. So I think this is the right time. You can start investing in gold ETFs. You can start investing in mutual funds, SIPs, which are low risk and good for long-term growth. But I'll say that Before taking any decision, please consult a financial advisor. You can also slowly start investing in real estate properties, like you can rent out or real estate investment trusts. And then you can also invest in gold and bonds. And golds and bonds are also an excellent choice for preserving your wealth. So this is it. It's all about planning, investing smartly and executing nicely. Also, there's one question I asked you in the start about the delusion. That what will you do if you win 5 crore rupees? Now's your time. Let me know in the comment section. And also, if you want to earn more and you're planning to start a business, you should check out Bosswala app right now. They have 500 plus courses which will help you start your business, market yourselves and use social media to get more customers and spread your business. Also, there you can get access to video courses or one-on-one video calls with successful business owners who will teach you everything that you need to know for your business. So what are you waiting for? Go download Bosswala app now. I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.
Bosswala. Be the boss.